Pat, where you at?
Joel, Doug Gardner, and Brandon. All right, we need a couple of turn marshals. We only had 3 people racing actively in the last race, so
Turn marshal.
more turn marshals, please.
Oh, Dante, that's very mean, Dante. Where are you? Hey, pay up.
Can we get one more turn marshal, please?
I didn't see no flyer
One
saying
more.
you need 8 in the class. Second. Where?
Thank
On
you.
the website. I don't see it.
Wherever.
I'll show you.
All right, racers, less than 5. That's the sound of the tone. Out of the baby pileup, looks like Mike Ridwell made his way out clean onto the straightaway. Mike Ridwell is clocking in first, followed by Tim Luke, and Doug Gardner, Joel, Brandon Jerry. We have everyone on lead lap. Mike Ridwell out front, all by his lonesome for the time being. Tim Luke trying to make his way up to the front. There's Cabanas, Jerry, Brandon Summers, Joel and Doug. Everyone's still on lead lap. Mike Ridwell clocking in 5. Tim Luke 5 as well. Looks like we have a baby new battle up front. So that's the kind of time. Tim Luke, the specialist, taking on Mike Whitwell of Exotech Racing. Looks like Mike Whitwell is coming up on you, Doug Gardner. Thank you. And we've also another coming up close behind you as well. Mike Ridwell making his way into the straightaway. Tim Luke right behind Doug Gardner. Thank you for making space. And I believe that is Brandon as well. Thank you guys for making space for your leaders. 1 and 2 make their way onto the straightaway. There's Chris. There's Chris. Mike Ridwell is out front, followed by Tim Luke. And Chris getting really squirrely out there in the number 3 spot. Followed by Deb, Joel, Doug and Brandon. Doug and Brandon walking hard. Going through the big back straight, down the chicane, and down the front straight. Brandon and Doug. Battling. Looks like Jerry beat out Chris Cabrales. Down the chicane, down the straightaway. Jerry and Chris. Yeah, got 145 remaining, 145 remaining. Mike and Tim Luke still out front. By Chris and Jerry. Looks like Chris makes a pass on Jerry.
How does the track is colored? They have a it.
1 minute left. 1 minute left. We've got Mike, Tim, Chris, Gary, Joel, Brandon, and Doug. Mike currently on pace for 25, 505. Tim Luke currently on pace for 25, 509. Tim Luke desperately trying to catch up to Mike Whitwell. Traffic on that happen. We have an HPI radio up here, 2.4K. Mr. Radio, Garcia, also model it is. 10 seconds left, 10 seconds left. And that's the race. Tim Luke, Harry, Joel, you are done. Doug, you are done. Mike, you are done for the win. Chris, you're done. And Brandon, you are done. That's the race. Top three, Mike Ridwell, Tim Luke, and Chris.